Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Qaid-e-Azam Rangers School Soccer. Now today we have learned in chapter number 5 about British rule and the Muslim of the subcontinent in our history. The Europeans reached in India in 1500. The Dutch and the British started trading in India in 16th century. In competition with the Portuguese, the East India Company established by the rich merchant of India start London and start trading with India. The Dutch and the French also formed their own trading companies to trade with East. The British eventually managed to set their major port in Madras, Surat and Mumbai. Here is the map which also showing what the British eventually managed to set up their major ports in these cities. Queen Victoria Proclamation 1858. The people of India fought against the British occupation, but their struggle for the independence was crushed after the British established the Crown rule in India, popularly known as British Raj. The last Mughal emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar was confined to Red Fort. He was exiled to Burma and was buried in Rangoon. Thus, India turned into a British colony and 100 years of the rule of British started in South Asia. British Indian administrative structure. During the British rule, India was divided into 11 provinces and 560 princely states ruled by Rajas, Maharajas and Nawab. The British followed the system of administration of Mughals. The administrative structure under British control was as follows: provinces, divisions, districts. After districts, the tehsil became thanas. The administrative structure as a whole was based on 3 tiers. The first one is civil services, second one army, and the third one is police. Lord Macaulay's Minute on Education. Many significant decisions were taken for the state of education in India by Lord Williams Bentinck, Governor General of India. Lord Macaulay was appointed as the President of the General Committee of Public Instruction. Here is a picture of Lord Macaulay. Previously, gemstone, salt, cotton had been the main export of India, but later tea, coffee, jute also started to be cultivated on a mass scale during the British Raj. Here is the economic impact of a British Raj. There has also development of the railways, drain of wealth, deterioration of agriculture, growth of landless labor also include economic impact of British Raj. Minto Morley reforms, 1909. By political awareness was increased among the local population led to the establishment of 2 parties. The Indian National Congress and All India Muslim League. The concern and opinion of the Muslim and Hindus were voiced successfully. The Indian Council of Art is known as Minto Morley reforms. I hope you understood the reading. It is your homework. Read the page 62 to 68 and solve the blanks on your page 76 only on book. I hope you understood me. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay safe.